Boy, back with another motherfucking video. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and by now I think this is my fourth video I'm filming. But if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 300 plus, and as soon as we hit 1K subs, we're doing an absolutely free giveaway. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the squad, as well as comment whatever you want if you're new here, because I answer and I reply to all my comments down below in the description. There's also my Instagram and my main channel, so go check that out. And you see the title, I'm starting to get better at making these videos faster because I don't need to make it longer. Doesn't mean it's less quality, it's just I know how to deduct myself more on filming with less time, so work smarter, not harder. But you see the title, you see this is some special heat right here, so let's get right into it. So off rip, it is hot right now. I don't know why the fan isn't all the way up. It's kind of moving around filming these videos. But like I said, you see the title. This is a men's dunk low, so it's a size 9. I just burped some fucking cheese doodles. Either way, here you go. The New York versus New York dunk lows. Boom, right in the flesh. Right in the flesh. Look at that. Boom. Now I will say, first off, let's get the thumbnail. Let's put the box right there. Thumbnail time. Boom. What I will say about these is definitely way better in person. And I haven't said that in a while about a shoe, but it's definitely better in person. I'm glad they made the special details. I don't know if any one is different, so I don't have to show both. Alright, yeah, I don't have to show both, so I can put one of the shoes down, and let me just show you one. So first off, the leather on here is amazing for this type of shoe. They got this green, got this nice little leather. It's nice and sturdy. Now I'm glad with the Nike logo they didn't make it no leather. They have it like that shiny, you know, holographic that you could scratch, that you can make that sound. To me, I don't know with the lighting, but this does not look orange. This looks like a peach. It is orange, but it's just because the lighting is showing it too bright. The Nike logo right there. You got the same material on the tongue, but the tongue is not like the Nike logo. It's literally like a soft thing. I don't even know what you call this, but either way, that is how it looks on the tongue. Got the New York versus New York right there, and the logo on the right there by the heel. That's how it looks from up top or sideways. You can see definitely with this green material on each of the sides. Definitely this looks way better in person. Now I'll get to the best part, the whole entire bottom. I don't even know some of these places. What it says, something Wardens, something versus Dykeman versus some other place, then Lincoln Park, and then West 4th, and then Mesh Park. These are all famous places, I guess, that Nike Dunk has some type of relative stories with. I do know obviously Dykeman, West 4th, and Mesh Park. Them three in New York, I think they are famous for basketball tournaments as well in New York, but at the same time, I don't know what basketball has to do with Nike Dunk lows, but whatever, that's the case. But definitely that's how the bottom looks. I don't know if I showed it, but that, yeah, that's how it looks if you could read it. But definitely this is a better shoe in person for a fact. I like these. They're cool, they're calm, so they're doing justice. Resale, I don't know, last time I checked they was going up and down, but I don't know if they went back up, because a lot of people do like these. They're a cool, calm shoe. Obviously the collab or whatever whoever worked on these know a Nike Dunk Low is obviously the hottest thing in the market right now. No Dunk High, it's literally lows. So it was smart that they put this on a low to maximize their profit compared to if they put it as a high. You get what I'm saying? So I don't know if the resale went up on these, 'cause a lot of people do want these. But to me, it's definitely worth it. So if you're trying to buy these right now in the resale market, it's up to you depending on how much money you want to spend. Because it's only something is only worth what you want to spend. I could tell you that it's worth it. Like, I have it in my hand. It's obviously not a personal. It's not my size. It's not even my shoe. It's my friends that let me do the review for you guys. But I'm just giving you the game right here. It's definitely worth it. But now you got to see if it's worth it for you to buy it with your money. I don't know how much value this would be, but you know, you don't want to spend your money and the shoe isn't worth it. Meaning the material, or if the shoe is good in person. You know what I'm saying? So at least I'm showing you guys so you guys could see if you want to spend your money on them. It's definitely worth it, as in the shoe's amazing and the material, everything. The shoe's like perfect. You know what I'm saying? There's really not much you could really say, like, what's the flaw about the shoe at all. You know what I'm saying? I just want to do this one more time. Wait. Can't do it on that side. I don't know if they have two different materials on this logo and this logo. Because I can't do the scratch on here, but I could do it. That's weird. Either way, I'm going to get out of here. This video's already getting too long. But like I said, it's definitely worth it. So go cop if you want. If you don't, that's cool. Let me know, did you go after these? Did you take a dub? Did you take a L? Do you like them now that you're watching it? Or you don't care about these at all? Whatever you think, let me know in the comments. I will be responding to all my comments. So I'll see you guys in the next vid. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy is out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.